Hi, Sean from SEAN&HORN here. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of assembling your extra large or double extra large bamboo pot plant skin. You will need a pair of scissors. We recommend wearing gloves to protect against splinters. Your pot plant skin comes in a package like this. Let's open it up. If you're going to use a Stanley knife, make sure it's on a low setting. Inside, you'll find the collar, the body, the feet, and the lace, which is wrapped with rubber bands. Lay out the contents like so. The body should be frowning, and the collar should be smiling. Remove the rubber bands from the lace and place them with the collar. Separate the 3 short lengths of lace and place them with the collar too. Only one end of the lace is knotted. Take the unknotted end and thread it through the lowest hole on the right. Now do the same on the left side. Bring each side together as you pull the lace through with the aim of lining up the holes. Once the holes are lined up, thread the lace zigzagging up the body as you go. The more holes you thread, the easier it gets. Once you've threaded the lace through the last hole, tie a knot in the lace and trim the excess. Now for the collar. Arrange the collar so that it's smiling, with the painted face down. Take one of the rubber bands that were with the lace and double it over the right end. Bring the right and left ends together with the right end inside the left end. Now bring the rubber band over the left end so that it holds the 2 ends together. Align the holes and taking one of the short lengths of lace, thread it through the hole and carefully tie it, nice and tight. We provide spares of the short lace in case you're not happy with your first effort. The feet simply need to be snapped in 2 and placed over one another like so. We have designed our pot plant skins to marry beautifully to pots and saucers available from Bunnings. The extra large is matched to the 250mm Ricoh pot and saucer, while the extra large is matched to the 290mm Ricoh pot and 300mm saucer. Let's put it all together. First we want the collar. Second, the body to go inside the collar. Third, we drop the saucer in. Fourth, we place the feet in the saucer. And finally, the pot sits on the feet. If you want access to the saucer, perhaps after watering, lift the pot out of the skin. Try to avoid lifting the skin with the pot inside. Thanks for watching.